from Manila news about surveillance. Here are the news. One university in Manila already has CCTV cameras in their campus. For more details, let's hear Sheriff El Toledana from Manila. Toledana.
Yes, Johnny. I'm here in Manila to report that my one university will put on CCTV in their campus. Like the other school, it's good news for the many students need to have CCTV cameras in their campus. Let's interview some students here. Good afternoon, excuse me, what's your name?
Good afternoon, I'm Ron Burgos.
And you, what is your name? Mr. Burgos, what can you say that will create the CCTV cameras in your school?
I'm happy because it's good news for us students like me. For our safety is
Thank you, Mr. Burgos. Mr. Rosso, what is your reaction of this good news that there are CCTV in your school? And what do you think the importance of the CCTV camera?
I would like to hear that. It's good news for us to have CCTV.
Sige, pag nasunatan niyo.
From our it is important to have a
Sige,
cameras in our campus because there's have to be there. That is our school level at the level there's going to be committed.
Thank you, Mr. Rosso. Toledana, News Today reporting.
Toledana, all the facilities there about CCTV cameras.
Yes, Charlie, all the facilities except the covered road and these CCTV cameras at quality standard.
Wow, it's good news. Toledana. It's important viewers to have CCTV cameras for monitoring, especially crimes, for instance. By the way, surveillance is the oldest way of detecting criminal activity through surveillance. This method is used when it is likely or suspected criminal activity. There are two types of surveillance reported by Tony Burgos.
Yes, welcome. There are two types. Stationary and mobile surveillance. Stationary surveillance. It is a continuous watch of a place of a person from one or more field stores. While mobile surveillance is surveillance that actually shows the subject or by there's surveillance is classified as close or as means that for surveillance is mechanical observation of all types. But in the close surveillance is the watch or the type of something which is as spotted.
Thanks, Burgos. Surveillance is very useful to us, also to the government and law enforcement. To maintain social control, recognize and monitor threats. Surveillance has an objective. To report the objectives of surveillance, here is Jerry Santos.
There are objectives of surveillance. There are some objectives of surveillance. First, obtain evidence of right. To locate the subject of the session, check the identity of the information, check the mission of subject in the mission of obtain the visible legal evidence used in the court. Direction of surveillance is the person surveillance is most familiar attention to individual details of the case. Objective surveillance is taking the action ready against to one trouble IT. There is full awareness of the crime.
Thanks for that information, Jerry. And to give the trivia about surveillance, here is also.
Do you know that the word surveillance came from the French word meaning watching over? Sur means from above and veiller means to watch. The inverse reciprocal of surveillance is surveillance. Surveillance is the recording of an activity by the participants in that activity. It is a small wearable or portable personal technology. That's all about surveillance.
Thanks also for the amazing sample. That's the latest news for this afternoon. I'm Charlie Cuervo.
I'm Watson. I'm Ronnie Burgos.
I'm Jerry.
And from here in Manila, I'm Sheriff El Toledana. News Today reporting.